pissed. Why should Henry ever?
Focus on me, you piece of shit.
Why should Henry have a new shake? It's a shape, same bullshit. He goes gallivanting off to crew, leaving us to do his mom, and comes back saying how happy he feels. It's bullshit. And there's another thing. Henry drinks too much. No respectable engine ever gets drunk and throws up at breakfast. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Poor Henry felt fucking depressed, and he took another swig of his bottle. Never mind, Henry, said Percy happily. I'm glad you're here. I liked your whistling. Dude, can you, finish constructing your sentence before you speak? Listen here, fuckwit. Gordon left to have take the express. Well, Henry, we are glad to have you with us again, but remember what I said. What did he say again? Oh my fucking god.
I just fucking explained it!
Later, Henry went to take on water at the sidings by Edward's station. Wow, that water tower really is something. It can move to where an engine is. I know. It's great to see you, Henry. I was pleased to hear you happy. Oh, why thank you, Edward, smiled Henry. Shh. Can you hear something? Well, it sounds like Gordon, and it ought to be Gordon, but Gordon never whistles like that. It was Gordon. He came thundering along the line at a tremendous rate. He didn't look at Henry, and he didn't look at Edward. He just screamed straight through the station and disappeared. Shit, look at that maniac go, said Edward. Well, it isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Told Edward what Gordon had said. You know, he is right about the drinking thing.
Slow job.
Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awesome.
Yeah, man, she's really pretty.
I'm talking some elite.
Take him away! Sir Topham had bellowed. And take him
on a boat!
He wouldn't stop whistling until a fitter climbed up and knocked his whistle valve to pieces. That night, Gordon returned to the shed. It isn't wrong, said a voice, to no engine in particular, but we just don't do it. No one mentioned whistles. Next day, Henry was enjoying himself enormously. I feel so well, he sang. Trickety-trock, suck my cock, sang the coaches. What the fuck is wrong with you? Then Henry saw some boys on a bridge. Beep beep, hello, he whistled. The boys didn't wave and take Henry's number. They thought it fun to throw stones at him instead. They broken our glass. They raped our ass, sobbed the coaches. Passengers weren't hurt, but they were cross. Call the police. Oh, let me beat the shit out of them. Do you do that with your own children? Yeah. You should really consider therapy. No, said the driver. Leave it to Henry and me. What will you do? Asked the passengers. Well, said the driver. It's a secret. The next day, lots of people were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry has plenty of ashes, said the driver. Please keep all Windows machines shut off until we pass the bridge. Please keep all windows shut until we've passed the bridge. Henry is as excited as we are. Aren't you, old fellow? Henry felt a little fucking confused. All aboard, motherfucker. I feel way more stuffed up than excited. He sounds like he's dying. I know, isn't it hilarious? James, shut up. Soon, Henry could see the bridge. Henry and his driver could see the boys. And they all had stones. Ready, Henry? Called his driver. Sneeze hard when I tell you. Ow, he said. Hey, wait a minute. What the fuck is this? Well done, Henry, laughed his driver. Fuck those kids, and fuck their parents, too. Henry had taught both Gordon and Silly Puppies a lesson, with a whistle and a sneeze.